Hey guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed, and I am so excited because this is my first gaming laptop. If you are new, I am Anfas Ahamed, and here we unbox and review tech products and do tips and tutorials for the tech world. Be subscribed and join our community, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell that's next to subscribe button. If you are clicked, then you can receive my new videos to your mobile notification. Today we are going to unbox a laptop. It's not sort of a regular unboxing style, because I have already take out the laptop out, and I am so excited because this is my first gaming laptop and it's very powerful than my earlier laptop. If you want to watch the review video of my older laptop, that's a HP laptop, it will be in the card here and link in the below description. And the new laptop is from Acer Nitro 5 i7-10750H 6-core processor. It will run up to maximum 5 GHz and 16 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD. That's solid state drive, that 10 times faster than the regular traditional hard drives, and it has a matte display with 15.6 inches, and it has smaller bezels than my older laptop, and comparing to that, this laptop is smaller because of it has smaller bezels, and it has a bottom firing speakers in the both sides, and it has a full keyboard with number pads. The keyboard is backlighted with red color and it's not RGB, we can't change the color. And now let's take our laptop and turn it on. Before that, we'll see what came with the laptop, and let's take the accessories which came with the laptop. And guys, now first of all we'll take the paperwork. We have MousePad here with the Acer branding and setup guide from Acer Nitro 5, and the model is AN5155571K. It's a, and we have about the information about the warranty and a CD, but I don't know why they gave this, because in this laptop we don't have a CD-ROM to insert this CD. I don't know why they gave this. And we have some stickers and international warranty. So first of all we will pick this. This is covered by polythene. Now we will pick this and throw this polythene. First of all, they have given some stickers like this, and it's user guide, and here we have how to upgrade your RAM and how to work properly, how to install the additional hard drive, because this laptop comes with a M.2 1 TB hard drive, and you can put a traditional 2.5-inch SSD or a hard drive. Probably I will put a hard drive to store all the larger footages or entertainment, movies, games and stuff. So many paperworks, we'll keep this aside. And now let's take the MousePad out. This is little larger than the traditional small mouse pads, and it's comfortable. And we'll take the charger box, where it comes with a 135 watt charging adapter. This is the one. I have a cautious information, that is it does not come with Acer branding, light on branding charger, and we have a purple color. They have given two types of power delivery packs and the accessories for upgrade or connect your hard drive, the screws for to insert your hard drive or SSD. If you want to know how to clone your hard drive to an SSD, I have uploaded a video, it will be in the card here and link in the description. So I will link the playlist of those videos. Now I won't use this one because this is not regular in our country, and I will use this power delivery. This is 3-pin adapter, and you can connect this one to here, and you can power the laptop or charge it. Additionally, they are giving a free mouse, that is Acer Nitro mouse. Today I am not going to unbox this because video will be next week. It's a RGB mouse, I guess. It has so many customizable buttons and more things. It will be next week. And we have received a headphone, Acer Nitro headphone, and more things. It will be next week. Now let's finally get our laptop. Let's switch on it. We will take the laptop. This is the laptop. We'll take. It comes with a cloth material cover, and we will keep it aside. And it comes with a Kingston lock and a RJ45 input and two USB A type, that is Gen 1 and a 3.5 headphone audio combo port and one HDMI, one USB-C, another USB-A type. The USB-A and USB-C in this side are Gen 2 3.0, and I don't know why they put this HDMI in right side, because in all other laptops in the world comes in the left side, and they have a ton of ports, and the power connector is in the back. And the design, they have a, you can see it's have a like lines here and different finishes here. The lid is plastic and the bottom also in plastic, and they have the Acer branding here and Nitro branding here, and two LED indicators for power on and the charging. And here they have a red color accent design, and there are out ventilations in the back end in the two sides, and they have two fans inside, I can see here from the grills, and they have 11 screws to if you want to upgrade your RAM or any other hard drives or storages. And I guess we can open it from one finger. And guys, now we can open it from one hand. There is a microfiber cloth here also, which it has a nice design here, and so many stickers, i7 and Nvidia Geforce GTX, and there are some features they have given here. Nitro 5 with available slot for 2 SSD, that is M.2, and 1 HDD, that is 2.5, and narrow bezels, killer Ethernet. And here you can see there are two LED indicators, one for charging and power on, and here Acer branding, and they have highlighted the ASW letters because it's a gaming laptop. And you can adjust your sound from here with pressing FN function button, and brightness of the display with these two arrow keys. And guys, we have a 720p display and two studio mic, and small rubber slips to hold it above the keyboards. And now we will switch on the laptop, and it will switch on in seconds. Yeah, it's took less than 30 seconds, I guess. And let's check the taskbar idle mode, how much is it running. It's running at 1 to 2% of CPU and 2.7 GB of RAM and 1% of SSD and 1% of the integrated Intel UHD graphics and 0% of Geforce Nvidia GTX 1050 Ti GPU. And first of all, we'll disable all the unwanted startup programs. We don't want OneDrive to be started, and also the Intel graphics command. And we will close task manager, and we will, and here you can see it has a special button here, that is N. By pressing it, you can boot up the NitroSense Acer application, where you can check the RPM of CPU fan and the fan of GPU RPM. And there are three modes in the fan controls, that is auto, max and custom. Let's try max. It will, you can hear the sound of it and the increasing of the fan speeds. And we'll back to the auto, and the fan speeds are decreasing. Here you can see that. And guys, now I have connected to my Wi-Fi here, and let's start up Microsoft Edge. It's welcoming to Microsoft Edge. And guys, sorry that I was recording, I was setting up the application, and I was showing how to download apps by going only to one website, that is nanite.com. I have already told that about that website in other videos. This is the website where you can download all your applications at once, and you can just click on like this and you can install. And guys, now we will check the sound by going to YouTube, and we will just check the display by playing Animals 8K video. We will play this.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed.
And guys,
today I'm
you
going
can
to
see
unbox and review a MacBook.
I am playing this
MacBook in our studio
video.
Let's go to the intro.
And 480p, and we will change it to 1080p. And you can see it has a very nice display here. And it doesnn't have a like greater speaker like MacBooks or Dell XPSs. It has a normal standard speakers that is down firing. And we'll close That's all you want to do. You can see here the timing is running, so we'll minimize it, and here Nanite is running the application. Already it's almost done, and it's installing the last programs, that is iTunes, where I use it for transfer the footages from iPhone to the PC laptop. If you are using a Mac, you can use AirDrop, or there are so many other easy ways. If you want to know how to send footages from iPhone to PC, we want at least 50 likes for this video, then I will upload the video. Nanite has already installed all the applications. Then we can close it and close this file program, and we will go to control panel and check what are the applications we have installed by going to programs, uninstall programs, and Audacity, Discord. These are the basic apps that we want, the apps that I have now installed using Nanite program. It's not like a program where it is installed, you can see here. And now we will power on the Google Chrome for the first time. It's loading, it's welcoming to the Google Chrome. A shortcut for settings, display. And guys, now I show how to do the installation in some customizable settings and how to install. And I'm so excited because I was using that laptop, that's the HP i5 laptop. I'm so excited because more faster, and it has a 16 GB RAM compared to 8 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD compared to 1 TB hard drive. And here onwards I will be editing on this laptop, this powerful machine. If you have a question like why did I buy this particular laptop, I had two options in the end. That's Asus TUF X506 and Acer Nitro 5, and I chose this one because there are some big issues like heating in that Asus laptop. I watched some videos from Gerard's Tech and Dave2D, those big laptop YouTube channels where they test the laptop and they review it. So I selected this laptop and I am so excited. There are so many exciting videos will be upcoming. Also don't forget, Nitro mouse and Nitro headphone will be upcoming. Thank you. Subscribe, like and share. We'll see you in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.